Let's learn phrasal verbs for the things you do every day. We'll go through a typical daily routine, learning 30 essential phrasal verbs along the way. These are some of the most common phrasal verbs in English because we use them for these simple daily actions. Before we get started, let me remind you to download your free lesson PDF to help you remember and review these common phrasal verbs. Click on the link in the video description, enter your email address, and I'll send you that free lesson guide. Now let's go through the day step by step, starting with our morning routine. We have wake up. That simply means to stop sleeping. But if it's the weekend, you might choose to sleep in, meaning sleep later than usual. Get up means to leave your bed. We can also use get up to talk about going from lying down to sitting or sitting to standing. If your alarm is still beeping, you would turn off the alarm and turn on the lights. You'd take off your pajamas or whatever clothing you sleep in and pick out your clothes for the day, meaning to choose or select them. Then you would put on your clothes, meaning start to wear them. Some phrasal verbs for getting ready and leaving. If you want a healthy breakfast, you could chop up some vegetables, meaning cut them into small pieces and add them to your eggs. After breakfast, you'd head out, meaning to leave home. You might get on a bus or train, or get into your car, meaning to enter it. Maybe you'll need to drop off your kids at school, meaning take them to school and leave them there. Some phrasal verbs about work. At work, you might need to log in to your computer or email, meaning enter the system with the password. You'd look through or look over your tasks for the day, meaning briefly review them. And then figure out, meaning understand or solve, which one to do first. You'd work on the most important or urgent task, meaning to spend time doing it. You might need to deal with some problems or challenges, meaning take action to handle them. Hopefully, you can keep up with your work, meaning make progress at an appropriate speed. If you get delayed, you'll need to catch up on work over the weekend. Catch up on means to do something you didn't have time for before. You might need to meet with your manager to go over, meaning review, plans for an event next month. After work, you might go to the gym to work out, meaning exercise. Or if you're feeling more social, you could hang out with your friends, meaning spend time together casually. Don't forget to pick up your kids, meaning go get them from a place. And then you'd all come back home, meaning return home. Let's move to our evening routine. When you come into your house, you'd hang up your jacket or coat, put it on a hook or hanger. You could heat up some leftovers for dinner, meaning to make the food hot again in the oven, microwave, or on the stove. If the house is messy, you'll need to tidy up or clean up, meaning organize it. The kids can help put away their toys, meaning to put them in the proper place. Now the day is winding down, meaning it's coming to an end and activity is becoming slower. You might talk over, meaning discuss, plans for the weekend with your husband or wife. Finally, it's time to turn in. That's another way to say go to bed. Now you know how to describe your daily routine using phrasal verbs. Can you use some of them in your own sentences? Learning phrasal verbs in context makes them much easier to remember. That's why I teach a course called Phrasal Verbs in Conversation. Inside it, you won't get lists of phrasal verbs to memorize. No. Instead, you'll see how the phrasal verbs are really used in conversations, so you can learn them easily and naturally. Phrasal Verbs in Conversation is one of our most popular courses, and I think you'll understand why when you join it. Click on the link in the video description to learn more and sign up.